The ASUS Zenfone 12 Ultra, announced on February 6th and coming soon on February 28th. Is this the best smartphone of 2025? Let's find out. The Zenfone 12 Ultra boasts a sleek and premium design with a glass front and back framed in aluminum. It comes in 3 elegant colors: sage green, ebony black, and sakura white. With an IP68 rating, it's both water and dust resistant, ensuring durability in any environment. Its 6.78-inch Samsung E6 flexible AMOLED display delivers stunning visuals with full HD+ resolution, a dynamic refresh rate of up to 144 Hz for gaming, and peak brightness of 2500 nits, making it perfect for both entertainment and productivity. The screen is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring top-notch durability. Under the hood, the Zenfone 12 Ultra is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform. With a 4.3 GHz octa-core processor and Adreno 830 GPU, ensuring smooth performance even with the most demanding tasks. It offers 12 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM for seamless multitasking and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB UFS 4.0, providing ample space for all your apps, games, and media. The device is equipped with a robust 5,500 mAh battery that easily lasts over 26 hours on a single charge. It supports 6.5W fast wired charging for quick power-ups and QE 1.3 wireless charging up to 15 West for added convenience, making it perfect for users on the go. Photography enthusiasts will love the Zenfone 12 Ultra's advanced camera setup. It features a 50MP main camera with gimbal-like optical image stabilization for ultra-smooth videos, a 13MP ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view, and a 3-MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The main camera supports 8K video recording, delivering cinema-quality footage, while the front-facing 3-MP sensor ensures stunning selfies. With advanced color grading adjustments and iPhone-like photographic styles, it's easy to capture professional-grade photos in any setting. Powered by the Meta Llama 3.8 BAI model, the Zenfone 12 Ultra offers smart features like background noise removal during video recording, voice memo transcription, and intelligent photo sorting with semantic search. It runs on the latest Android 15, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly experience. It also integrates seamlessly with PCs through Microsoft Phone Link and Qualcomm's seamless experience. The Zenfone 12 Ultra supports dual SIM, nano SIM, and eSIM, Wi-Fi 7 for ultra-fast internet speeds, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. It also delivers an exceptional audio experience with dual stereo speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and tri-microphones with ASUS noise reduction technology, ensuring crystal clear sound for calls and media playback. Starting at €1,099, the Zenfone 12 Ultra is available in select markets, but unfortunately, it's not coming to the US. This premium flagship packs a punch with its top-tier specs and is designed for users who demand the best in performance, design, and camera capabilities. The ASUS Zenfone 12 Ultra truly stands out with its stunning design, powerful performance, advanced camera system, and intelligent AI features. It's perfect for gamers, photographers, and power users who need a versatile and high-performance device. If you're looking for the ultimate smartphone experience, the Zenfone 12 Ultra is definitely worth considering. Would you buy the Zenfone 12 Ultra when it releases on February 28th? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews.